What we have today is an Emerson Designer. It is one of the plastic Emerson Designers. It is 52 inches in diameter, and the finish is brown. The blades are a little faded on the one side. Has a snap switch style pull chain, or lavalier as it's technically referred to. And the canopy is slide up, but I don't have it slid up. So some people I know refer to this as just the Emerson plastic fan, mainly because the majority of its parts are plastic. The switch cap, switch housing, motor housing, blade badges, and canopy. The motor itself, the blade irons, the downrod, all that is still metal, obviously, because if those were plastic, the whole fan would probably fall apart or fall from the ceiling, but the majority of the parts are made from plastic. And this is a 3-speed model. Most of these, to my knowledge, are 2-speed, however this one is 3-speed. I'm not super well versed in Emerson fans, as apart from my Emerson Casablanca Classic style and a few Emerson Designers that have come and gone, newer ones, this is one of the first Emersons that I have ever gotten my hands on. So we'll go ahead and ignite power, starting with low. So my knowledge of Emerson fans and all that is a little shoddy, as I don't have much experience with these fans, but what I just told you is what I know about this fan to the best of my knowledge. Some of my information may be inaccurate, I'm not entirely sure, so apologies if any of it is. And the fan does have some dry bearing noise. However, a little oil or WD-40 should silence that up nicely. We'll click it up to medium. I got 4 of these from a contractor relatively close to me. He took 4 of these fans out of a storefront and had them lying around and listed them on Marketplace, and then I inquired and bought them. Now we'll take it to high. Not a huge difference between medium and high. And the fan is not spinning terribly fast, however it is blowing a ton of air as the blades have a very steep pitch to them. And there you go. This is a brown Emerson Designer plastic fan. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Videos on the other 3 of these fans to follow.